There are a variety of ways that you can convey information to your visitors in the virtual world. You can put text on a sign, which would be in the description box. You can link to images and movies. And in task 5, we're going to show you how to make an object say something. So to have an object say something, when you activate the object by clicking, you will get the text that is included within the quotation marks in the action box, not the description box. So when you click on this group of flowers, it says, I am a white flower, I bloom in June. When you mouse over the flower, you will see this flower can tell you about itself. So you get a double impact using the say command, assuming that the people who are visiting are actually going to notice the text in the chat box.